the sound of immunity. The T cells fight cells that are infected. They help regulate an immune response. The T cells produce cytotoxic T cells to kill virus-infected and cancer cells. The helper T cells regulate immunity and secrete cytokines that control the immune response. And the memory T cells are ready to kill in the future. T cells are pretty awesome.
There are T cells in the body producing bone marrow. Then they mature in the thymus. Here's the third line of defense. Each T cell has a receptor called a TCR that will recognize a piece of antigen with the help of antigen-presenting cells. An APC engulfs an antigen, breaks it down, and presents it on its surface. Then the T cell will recognize the contribution of the HLA protein and piece of antigen. Clonal expansion will occur, leading to mostly helper T cells, cytotoxic T cells, and a few memory T cells. After an infection has passed, helper and cytotoxic T cells undergo apoptosis, leaving memory cells.
There are some cells that are really important, produced and mature in the bone marrow, recognize antigens and then attack. Clonal selection is where it is at. Acquired defenses kill off bacteria, antigens with different types of receptors, fighting antigens in the bloodstream. These are your body's favorite things. Plasma cells with their own antibodies, these stay behind in the memory cells, binding in cytokines B and T cells. These are your body's favorite things. When the nose runs, when the cough comes, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my memory cells, and then I don't feel so bad.